Finally getting that airbag replaced. But I figured, since we're getting that airbag replaced, I can walk across the street. See who we see across the street. I see a lot of lights here. A bunch of lights over there. Some lights over there. Some lights over there. So, might as well go see if it's anybody we know. Or if it's somebody we don't know. Either way, let's go see some cool trucks, right? It's that walk of shame almost, basically, from the truck stop to 75. Palm trees and stuff. About to get hit by a car. Oh yeah. Let's see. That looks like curtain side in front of us. Wish they were serving some food right now. I'm hungry as all can be right now. Oh, I'm starving. Let's see. Look at this thing. This thing is lit up pretty good. Lit up pretty good. About the only two things lit up real good right now. I see a lot of nice trucks here. Hopefully I'm gone before the sun come up though. This thing got a lot of lights on it. All them damn lights. Yeah. All them damn lights. Got a little visor too. I didn't recognize that visor. See something else over there. Nice little peak. 900 sit low. Let's see if I can light up. Look at that thing sit low. Studio sleeper too. Bad boy. Let's see what else is out here. Turn that light off. There, I seen something over in the front row. I want to go see who that is. Man, I need some food. Yeah, nothing spectacular back here right now. But I want to go over here. Go see what's up. Wasting time, you know. If I take forever, I guess I have to come in here and buy some parts. I think they open up at 7 now, a couple hours from now. So, but I want to be close to Georgia by then. Okay, this thing lit up. Got it lit up. Lights on it. Let's see. Couple more reefer dudes. That Dave's truck. There's Dave's truck. Dave's here. Huh. That's a stretched out classic. I know who that is. There's Dave's truck. It is. This guy. I wonder where his trailer's at. Yeah. Looking all clean. Looks like he just got a little center section put on down there. Coming together. Got all the glass lights. Loving it. This that pressure I was telling y'all about. Piece by piece. Piece by piece, you can apply that pressure, boys. Yeah, man. Wonder where his trailer's at. Unless he's converting over to the dark side. Tee-hee-hee-hee. Palm trees. Freight shakers. Let's see. Down here by the chrome shop. I need to clean that trailer. I wanted to wash it last night. Just wash the whole thing after I get up to the Midwest.